Today, I'm creating 4 different recipes from 1 liter of milk. These recipes are not only delicious but also vital for your health. Let's begin the recipe. Start by taking 1 liter of cow's milk and bringing it to a boil for 2 minutes. Allow the milk to cool to a warm temperature. Once cooled, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of yogurt and mix well. Cover the mixture and leave it in a warm place for approximately 1 day. After 24 hours, the yogurt will be ready. This homemade yogurt can be enjoyed at breakfast or as a complement to various meals. Additionally, you can use this yogurt to create a variety of other delicious recipes. Now for the next recipe, we'll use this yogurt to make lassi, a traditional dish originating from the Indian subcontinent. Lassi improves digestion, hydrates your body, strengthens bones, boosts the immune system, and provides a cooling effect. To make lassi, place the yogurt in a blender or mixer and blend it at high speed initially, then reduce to low speed. Continue blending for approximately 5 to 8 minutes. At this stage, you will obtain pure butter. If you prefer not to get butter, blend the yogurt for only 1 to 3 minutes and enjoy your lassi as a creamy, refreshing beverage. To separate the butter, add some cold water to the mixture and use your hands or a spoon to remove the butter from the lassi. Now you have both butter and lassi. These can be enjoyed at breakfast or as an addition to any meal. Moving on to the third recipe, known locally as buris, pour the lassi into a pot and bring it to a boil over low flame. Once it starts boiling, switch off the flame and pour the mixture through a strainer to separate the buris from the liquid. You can discard the liquid, retaining the buris. This dish can be enjoyed in various ways, adding a unique, nutritious element to your meals. The fourth recipe involves using buris for your breakfast. Start by mixing the buris well and adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Melt some butter and pour it over the buris, mixing thoroughly. Your dish is now ready to enjoy with chapati for a nutritious and delicious breakfast. Hope you enjoy these recipes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.